At the airport in Paris.
Welcome to France. What is the reason for your visit?
I came here to work. I have a job contract.
That is good. Where will you stay?
I will stay in a small apartment near the city center.
Is this your first time in France?
Yes, it is my first time. Everything feels new to me.
Do you speak French?
Only a little, but I want to learn more.
That will help you a lot.
I know. I am both excited and nervous.
That is normal. Paris is a beautiful city.
I have seen pictures of the Eiffel Tower. I hope to visit it soon.
You will. Good luck with your new job.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay in France.
At a company in Paris.
Good morning. You must be Amir.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Welcome to our company.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Did you find the office easily?
Yes, but I was afraid of getting lost.
Paris can be confusing at first.
That is true. The streets are very busy.
Let me introduce you to the team.
Hello, Amir. Welcome.
Hello. I look forward to working with you.
Your position is important for our project.
I will do my best.
If you need help, just ask.
Thank you. That makes me feel comfortable.
We believe you will have a great future here.
At a real estate office.
How can I help you?
I am looking for a small apartment.
In which area?
Somewhere quiet but close to my job.
That might be expensive in Paris.
I understand. My budget is limited.
I have a small studio near the metro.
That sounds good. Is it furnished?
Yes, it has a bed, a table, and a kitchen.
Can I see it today?
Of course. Follow me.
I like the neighborhood. It feels safe.
Many young workers live here.
That is perfect for me.
Do you want to sign the contract?
Yes, I think this will be my new home. At a language school.
Welcome to our French class.
Thank you. I really need to improve my French.
Why did you come to France?
I came to work and build a better future.
That is a good reason.
I also came here for work.
It is nice to meet someone in the same situation.
Today, we will practice simple conversations.
I feel shy when I speak French.
Do not worry. Mistakes are part of learning.
That makes me feel better.
We can practice together after class.
I would like that.
In a few months, you will see progress.
I hope so. I want to feel at home here. Talking with a friend on the phone.
How is life in France?
It is interesting, but sometimes I feel lonely.
That is normal when you move abroad.
I miss my family and my old friends.
Have you made new friends?
A few, but it takes time.
Do you like Paris?
Yes, especially when I walk near the Seine in the evening.
That sounds beautiful.
It is, but I still think about home.
Stay strong. You moved there for a reason.
You are right. I want to succeed here.
We are proud of you.
Thank you. That gives me courage.
Call me any time you feel sad.
I will. Thanks for being there for me. At a cafe.
Bonjour. What would you like?
A coffee and a croissant, please.
Are you new here?
Yes, I moved to Paris for work.
Welcome. How do you like French food?
I love it. The bread is amazing.
Have you tried traditional dishes?
Not many, but I want to explore more.
Food is very important in France.
I can see that. People enjoy eating slowly.
Yes, meals are a special moment.
I like that lifestyle. It feels relaxed.
Soon you will feel like a local.
I hope so. I want to understand the culture better.
Keep learning the language and meeting people.
I will. Thank you for the advice. In the office.
Amir, can we talk?
Of course. Is something wrong?
There is a small mistake in the report.
I am sorry. I will correct it immediately.
Do not worry. Mistakes happen.
I still feel responsible.
That shows you care about your job.
I really want to succeed here.
And you are doing well overall.
Thank you for saying that.
Just check the numbers more carefully next time.
I will double-check everything.
Good. We trust you.
I appreciate your support.
Keep improving, and you will grow in this company.
Meeting a colleague after 1 year.
Amir, you look happy today.
Yes, today marks 1 year since I arrived in France.
Time flies.
I remember my first day in Paris. I was nervous.
And now you speak French very well.
I worked hard to improve.
Do you still miss your home country?
Yes, but France feels like a second home now.
That is wonderful to hear.
I have grown a lot this year.
What are your future plans?
I want to continue working here and maybe start my own project.
That sounds ambitious.
Moving to France was not easy, but it was worth it.
We are lucky to have you on our team.
Thank you. I am grateful for this journey.